he's required to speak publicly.
I have received.
Perhaps he should change jobs.
And what if my husband were the king? My husband.
The King's Speech story, which was really about Elizabeth. It was starting by the England's Prince Albert must ascend the throne as King George, but he has a speech impediment. Knowing that the country needs her husband to be able to communicate effectively, Elizabeth hires Lionel Logie, an Australian actor and speech therapist. Second one, Harry Potter. The best magical power of the movie, Harry Potter. The adaptation of the first of J.K. Rowling's popular children's novels about Harry Potter. A boy who learns on his 11th birthday that he is the orphaned son of two powerful wizards and possesses unique magical powers of his own. He is summoned from his life as an unwanted child to become a student at Hogwarts, an English boarding school for wizards. There he meets several friends who become his closest allies. Third movie, The Queen. The Queen is a 2006 biographical drama film that depicts the death of Diana, Princess of Wales, on 31st August 1997. In the wake of a national tragedy, the Prime Minister and royal family find themselves quietly at odds. The initial reluctance of Buckingham Palace to mourn Diana is seen by the public as a sign of cool emotional distance. Fourth movie was Lord of the Rings. The Lord of the Rings is the movie about the future of civilization rests in the fate of the One Ring, which has been lost of centuries. Powerful forces are unrelenting in their search for it, but fate has placed it in the hands of a young hobbit named Frodo Baggins, who inherits the ring and steps into a legend. A daunting task lies ahead for Frodo, which he becomes the army and becomes the Tolkien's. Then, the Lord of the Rings novels may have been inspired by a true story. Fourth one, Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie, which was based on the beloved Royal Dahi tale. This comedic and fantastical film follows young Charlie Bucket and his grandpa Joe as they join a small group of contest winners who get to our tour to the magical and mysterious factory of eccentric candy maker Willy Wonka, aided by his diminutive. Next movie was Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast storyline was an arrogant prince is cursed to live as terrifying beast until he finds true love. Strangely, his chances comes when he captures an unwary clockmaker, whose place is then taken by his bold and beautiful daughter Belly. Next movie was The Remains of the Day. The Remains of the Day tells the story of Stephen's trip to the sea and what he finds there along the way. In flashback, we see his memories of the great days at the hall when Lord Darlington played host to the world's leaders, and it seemed at times the future of Britain was being decided. The six movie links are given in the description.